Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 22 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT post-apocalyptic edition. Yes folks, it's the madmax car in it, come on. And this is a 1/8 scale die-cast replica folks from our good old mates up at Hachette. Now if you want to grab this and build along with me, this iconic bit of movie madness, follow the link there. There's a clickable version below. This will take you to the Hachette website where you can join me in subscribing to this wonderful Partwork folks. Yes, we are today doing the large chassis section folks. It says the large section is fitted to the assembly from the previous issue, which I've got just over there, and this is where it's going to be going on our Ford Falcons folks. Yes, look at that. Oh, we're joining bits, nice, simple, easy to follow instructions. That's what we did last time with the spare wheel well, and we're going to be mating these together and we're going to be affixing them with some screws. Nice and simple folks. DS2 screws is what we're going for. And this is what you're going to end up with at the end of today. Yes. You got then Genevieve from 1953, Britain's greatest road film. There's the little motor there. Have you some of that? So there you go. So that's the magazine done. So let's grab our bits and bobs. Let's get this together so that we can have a nice bit of chassis going on. So this is what we had last time out. This was our little piece we done with the rear spare wheel well. And this is what we've got this time. Nice solid bit of die cast again folks, okay? So that's what we're going to be playing with. We're going to be orientating it this way with the rounded edges towards the rear where the spare wheel well is. And we're going to be bringing this in and slotting them over these raised posts, just like so. Okay, so that's how that's going to look. So we'll grab a screw with some oil and get that ready so that we can at least get a screw in and hold this together. And then whilst holding it with our hand underneath, I'm just going to do a couple of turns on the screw, not fully tightening them yet. This then gives us a little bit of wiggle room folks. So we'll put another bit of oil on that one. Same process. Now I can tighten that back like so. Come back and tighten that one now. Now that I've got a screw in each side, see it's pulled that chassis together. We can now go around and do the outside ones. Just like so. And then get our last screw ready, like that. There you go. And that is what we've got folks. We've now got our rear or centre floor pan joined to our rear chassis section. Spin it round so you can see underneath, and as you can see that is already going to be quite a size folks. We've got double this to go yet. Oh, look at it. So there you go folks, that's us for today. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link to the Hachette website. Goes all the way along there folks. Bink. Also, to help me, give Little Festa a click in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really helps me grow the channel. Whilst you're there, ring the bell. Select all and you'll get notified of all upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.